Yells!
What is up, you guys? Crunchy Beast here. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to animate with Flash. So I've received a few requests to show some stuff on Flash. This is the program I use, by the way, to animate. Okay, so I've received the request to show how to animate frame by frame, and also how to make backgrounds in different separate layers. Okay, so first I'm going to show the background one. I'm just going to draw a really quick background here with a gradient, just so it's quicker. Okay, and if I was to draw like a circle here, I've just turned British. If I was to draw like a circle here, and if I wanted to move it, it would delete what was there before, because I'm drawing it on the same layer. So to correct this, all you gotta do is press this little button right here. This locks the layer, and then you create a new layer and draw on that one. This way you're keeping your stuff separate, your character and your background. You can also create other layers for like trees, whatever you want. But I'm just gonna stick with this for this tutorial. So you made your character, I'm just making it really rough. He's gonna be sad, cause yes, because he has this haircut. He's sad because he has this haircut. Okay, now if you notice when I try to drag this, it works perfectly because it's in a different layer, and the background, I'm just gonna show you how it would be if you wanted to animate it, but I'm not really gonna animate it like I do in my intros and stuff. I'm just gonna roughly animate him. Okay, so now I'm gonna select this, hit F8 or right click and convert the symbol. I'm gonna make him a graphic. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it at that, and I'm gonna animate him. So first, what you want to do to animate is add frames. So you have 3 keys on your keyboard that add frames. Sorry about that. You have F5 that just adds up to the layers, to the frames that you already have. It like multiplies them. F6 makes new frames, but with the same stuff that was on the previous one, and F7 completely deletes what was there before. Notice that it's only deleting this one. It's because I have this layer selected. If I had this one, it would delete this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna animate him walking really roughly. F6, 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 F6. If you click Control Enter to Tattoo Movie, this is what you get. This is just a really rough example. Now I'm going to show you how to animate frame by frame. This was animation with symbols. So to animate frame by frame, you need to draw something, and then like press F7 to create a new frame, blank keyframe, and hit this little button right here saying onion skin. And what this does is it enables you to see the previous or the previous 2 frames or whatever you do. Like you can put as many frames as you want, and you can select these, like drag this out to show as many frames before and after as you want. So I just want one here and none here, okay? And I'm going to animate this, turning it into a square and back to a circle. Well, not really square. Whatever. Okay. And if I press Ctrl Enter, it's really quick and sketchy, but you get the point. This is frame by frame animating. You can also, like, I'm just gonna show you, for example, F7, F7, F7. And I know this was a really simple tutorial, but many people really don't get this. When I started animating with Flash, I didn't get it at all. I drew the character and the background on the same layer, and then it would delete the background as I moved the character, and that really pissed me off. I had to ask some people how to use Flash to get good at it. So as you see, this is frame by frame animating. Okay, so if you wanna give me suggestions for any more tutorials, just leave a comment down below, or send me a personal message on YouTube. Or if you want to, you can add my Skype. I accept everyone as long as you're not mean or rude in any way. This is my Skype name. If you want to add me, go for it. More animations coming up. I have like 2 or 3 shorts coming soon, and I'll have an update video either tonight or tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Bye guys.